all-purpose flour. 1 tablespoon powdered sugar. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 tablespoon yeast. Mix well. Add water as per required. Knead a soft dough. 2 tablespoons cooking oil. Knead well. Apply cooking oil. Rest for 2 hours. After 2 hours, divide in 2 parts. Dust all-purpose flour. Rest for 30 minutes. Grease the pan. Cover and cook each side on low flame for 5 minutes. Flip the side. One tablespoon chili sauce. 1 tablespoon vinegar. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. 1 teaspoon black pepper powder. A half teaspoon salt. A half teaspoon garlic powder. Mix well. 300-gram boneless chicken. Mix well. Marinate for 1 hour. A half cup corn flour. Mix well. Medium heated oil. Fry on low to medium flame until crispy. Cup cabbage chopped. 6 to 8 tablespoon mayonnaise. A half teaspoon black pepper powder. A 1/4 teaspoon salt. Mix well. Set aside. Apply ketchup. Add coleslaw. Add fried chicken.